Hey guys, I'm back. Today I'm going to walk you through the process of how to lay stone around your 45 or your Octagon. With no further ado, let's dive right into the video. Before we jump into the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed for more upcoming video like this one. Let's get started. Earlier I thought I pressed start on the camera, but it wasn't started, so here I am now. So we just catch our first lay. As we go in the video, you'll see. We're gonna measure this one here. You notice how I cut this? I cut it on a angle. This way, the stone that's gonna go here. Gonna spread some more mortar. The one that's gonna go on top of this one, we're gonna put some brick ties. Alright, let's put some brick ties right here, right now. Just bend it right in the middle. Just on a 90 degree, just like so. Just push her right on. Nail these bad boys. Now we're gonna put just a wedge underneath the bottom just to kind of stabilize the first stone. Later on we're gonna remove those ones. We're gonna put a big one right here now. Just to kind of, we're gonna put this one right here. Well, before that I want to kind of 45 the edge of this one as well. So you see, I cut this one on a 45 angle. Put that one right there. We're gonna level him up nicely. Make sure she's nice and level. We also want to plumb here as well. As we go up, we want to have here 100% plumb. Beautiful. Here, as you see, when we build this wall up, we put some brick ties. Every 12 inches we put a brick tie. That way we can join the wall that's gonna go here. And you see I put a piece of stone at the back here, and then we fill it with mortar. That way we have the control joint here filled properly, and it's tied with the new wall that's gonna go here with the existing wall. So as you go up, always leave a brick tie that you can use to tie a new wall, just in case you're not building up both sides at the same time. Okay, so as you go up, you want to put a brick tie every 12 inches or so. You want to leave one out just like that, so this one can connect with the wall that's going to go here. We're going to put some more brick ties here as well. When you're doing a 45, you want to use as much brick ties as possible, because as you know, it's a control joint. Brick ties is what you're going to really use to help to hold up the wall itself. So you want to take the extra 5 minutes and throw in a few of them in there. No short corner, guys, no short corner. Do the job the right way. Beautiful. Nice and level. Another thing that I didn't point out here, you have to measure for your sills, just to make sure that you work to reach right up to your sill. If you have to do it in the form of cutting, ideally you would want to do the cutting down at the bottom rather than do it up here. You can also use your hammer to 45 at times. You can just do like this, chisel off like that. If you don't want to go to the... So right here where we are now, we're right up to our sills. We're nice and level. Now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do some joints, and afterwards we're gonna start over this side. Remember, you wanna always check, make sure that right here is 100% plumb. If you look on my level, it's 100% plumb. We're 100% level. And we're finished with this piece. So we're just gonna work our way over there now. But before we do that, we're gonna do some joints.